What's going on, guys? Greg with PizzlesTechTime. This is going to be a quick unboxing. We're coming up on like a year of the Dyson V15, and we've cracked the dustbin, the wheel off the main carpet head, and then the battery just died randomly. So less than thrilled with this recent Dyson purchase. I have fans from Dyson. I have hair dryers and hair tools that I just got for Carolyn. They warranty exchanged this, and it took a little bit over 2 weeks. So the packaging looks kind of refurbished, and it says V15 Detect Absolute. As you can see, we've got the V15 Detect. It does not say Absolute anywhere on it. It has a battery symbol there, and it says Absolute on the side here. So we had the Extra, so the Absolute is like supposed to be a little step up. We'll open this bad Larry up. I did work 13 hours today. I didn't take a break at all. I'm exhausted, I'm wiped out, and I make these videos for you. So hit the like button, will ya? Vamos. Okay, so right off the rip here, I can see, oof, this does not smell new. We've got a hair tool. This looks to be new, so that is good. The anti-tangle screw. And, okay, right here we have a new tool. And the good thing about this is our dog had actually chewed this one, so I'd be happy to have that one back. This is going to be the difference between the V15 and the V15 Absolute is going to be, they have this little tool that actually just slides in. No. Okay. Let me read the instructions then. Okay, so we've got the hardwood cleaner, as I like to say. It is looking to be new. Okay, so that's good. It's got microfiber below here, and it's a little bit nicer, or maybe it's exactly the same, I'm not sure, as the other one. And it shines a little light out of this part right here, so you can see how dirty and filthy your house is. And it says carbon fiber. I don't know what part would be carbon fiber. Maybe this? I don't know. But okay, so now we've got this thing right here, which looks to be exactly the same, so that is good. Okay, and we've got the vacuum cleaner head. This has box dust on it, but it looks to be pretty new. Could be refurbished, but I don't think it is. Let's see here. All right, gotta move because my feet are starting to hurt. Okay, looks like the exact same charger, so that is normal. A little worried about this wand system because it looks to be a little bit wonky there. This is, oops, sorry about that, I hit that up. Okay, so we've got this little thing right here. It does say like English right there. And that's what I was worried about. They had this little dust, like box dust all over it. I don't know why they would deliver something like that, but there's like a dust all over it, and the battery almost looks like a different color. So this actually cracked in the last one, so we're gonna look out for that. So this one is supposed to have a full HEPA filtration. Kind of smells funky. Let's see how this is gonna actually go on here. So, yeah, there we go. Okay, so that has to be slid down like that. I don't know how I feel about that design, but I guess it works, and you just slide it in, and hopefully that'll hold up over time. And I will put it together, and I'll put this little head on so I show you. That's gonna point out where the hair goes. The battery is depleted. There is a little plastic on there, so we're gonna charge this up. I wanna make sure that this thing gets a full charge because the last battery had died on me. Let's see how easily, that's pretty cool, not gonna lie. So, goes in pretty easy. I'll show you what it comes with really quick. We have the cradle for the unit. With the V15 Absolute, you get full HEPA filtration as well as this detachable handle. We'll have to see. These things are all exactly the same. Wall mounting this is definitely best. Only use the Dyson charger. Pretty decent design. The only thing is, for whatever reason, we've been having trouble with this new design V15 because originally I had the V8 and it lasted forever. Throw this on the charger, charge this bad boy up. Alrighty then. I still do want to get my dad to